I got advice to our young brother, young Parawa, trying to explain the blood type. But you must know that the blood type has the origins. And all blood type is the original, the ancient people's blood. All blood type can, distribute blood to any race, whether white or race or black, any. All blood type. All blood type is the universal blood. So my brother, if you have whatever, I don't know, your DNA, you said you have, I'm a black and I have AB plus blood type. If you have an AB plus blood type, you are not the original people. That's what you must know. You are not the original people. Huh? You are maybe, how do I put it? You are not the original people. So, brother, don't try to justify. Because the original blood type is O. And O is the universal blood that created the mankind. That's I want to put into record. To my young Parawa, my brother, O is the original blood type, and that is the native blood. That is the blood that can give blood to any race. That's the fact. And I am talking to you because I have an O blood type. And I can donate to you, I can donate to anyone. So don't try to deflect and justify what kind of race and try to bring about all this. If you want to talk about this, bring scientific evidence. Bring scientific evidence and justify. Justify. Don't just bluff on the Facebook just to get more followers to monetize your ignorance. That is what I will not entertain. As a black man, I will not entertain your nonsense. If you are lost, look back to your ancestors. Look back to Sheikh and the Diok. Look back to Professor Small. Look back to Professor Dr. Ben Chaknan. Look back to Professor Fatima, Van Fatima. So this is something I'm not trying to disagree with what you are saying, but you are deflecting from the truth. That's why I need to correct you. And let's listen to what he's trying to justify over here.
Now you got 8 different blood types, right? You have O negative, O positive, A negative, A positive, B negative, B positive. Then you got AB negative and AB positive. So you got 4 different blood type variations on the negative side. You got 4 different blood type variations on the positive side, which gives you a total of 8. Now, with that being...
By the way, just to put to record, I do not have any negative O or positive A or all this kind of blood type. No, I have straight positive O blood type. And I can contribute my blood to anyone. So that's what I just want, because I'm not angry with my brother. He's doing a great job. He's bringing about some very intellectual, some very truths. I agree with him. But when it comes to the bloodline and blood type, I will have to have some reservation to comment and criticize, because I don't want somebody to deflect without you providing a scientific evidence.
Let's deal with the origin of blood types. First of all, blood types, only one is natural and original. That's the O negative blood type. Now I'm going to break down the origins of the blood type before I tell you.
Yes, I am O. And he's saying O negative. I don't know. I have to check. He said O negative, O positive. I don't understand this. Do we have like a blood type of O negative and O positive? I don't understand that. Why is positive and why negative? Oh, okay. Maybe this is about magnetism. I don't understand. What do you call frequency? I don't understand. So let's listen.
The effects and the types of people that can have these blood types. Now, the O negative blood type comes from the African black woman, which you would call the mitochondrial E gene. Now, why is this important? Mitochondrial DNA is DNA.
Yes, I am. I am the O blood type, but I don't know whether I am positive or negative. I don't know. I don't know.
That exists outside the nucleus of a cell. Once DNA becomes coiled up in the nucleus of a cell, it's called a chromosome. So let's break down. Let's get that understood first. Now, why is this important? Because all non-Africans don't have the
I don't care what you're saying. What I'm saying is because if I have a O blood type, whether positive or negative, that means I am the original blood type. So my brother, I don't care how you put it. Because according to the landmen, people who have spent their time researching genetics, DNA, blood type, whatever, they have concluded that the O blood type is the original blood type. So whether it is negative or positive, that means it is the original blood type. That's what I want to put it to rest. And I don't want, my brother, please don't deflect and things like that. But you are trying to explain something over here, so let's listen what he's trying to prove.
Mitochondria, Eve, gene, DNA. Listen, I say it all the goddamn time, I'm gonna say it again. If you are non-African, you are not 100% human being. You are only 93% human being and 7% Neanderthal. Now, why is this important?
That is important. Why he's trying to explain this is he is saying that if you do not have the old blood type, then you are not 100% African. Oh, okay. You're very interesting.
Because only human beings, aka Africans, have the mitochondrial Eve gene. All non-Africans get their mitochondrial DNA from Neanderthals, aka primates, aka monkeys. So we do not have the same cellular, biological, or genealogical makeup.
Okay, brother. You see, when you try to compare the animal kingdom and a manifestation kingdom and vegetable kingdom, mineral kingdom, and you try to, come to that conclusive idea that you think this is no. Because I have watched your videos and everything. I am a black man. My blood type is O. I don't care whether it is negative O or positive O. I am a O. That means I'm the original. So, why am I making this little bit of it's not little bit. I am criticizing my brother. Because if you want to actually come out to social media, write a book, do your research. Do a scientific research, don't blah on the Facebook. What you are doing is, you are a little kid. Little kid. Little kid just growing teeth and speaking. That's how you are talking. So don't disgrace our ancestors. Don't disgrace our ancestors and try to, put all this shit. Who did this all scientific theories? Or invent this medicine that dictate the DNA and try to separate which from which frat, fucking bloody also. So, my brother, if you are not educated enough, please, I encourage you to do your research before you come out and make yourself look stupid.
Or physiological composition as any other organisms on the planet. Now, with that being said, this breaks down the origins of the blood types, which it is confirmed by science that Neanderthals.
By the way, where did you get your education from, brother? Where did you get the education from? Who educate you? Because everything that you say, it doesn't base on actual culture and tradition of African. I come from a culture. So if you really want to break down this, provide scientific evidence, because we do not want to hear from hearsay. The way you are explaining your things, you are not providing any evidence. You see, this is one problem with the black people. We are good at talk. We are good at talking. That's what you are doing right now.
Introduced infected genes into our genetic structure as Africans. Go look it up.
Okay.
So that being said,
I'm stopping from you.
The A blood type and the B blood types are antigens. Go look up what an antigen is. And these antigens produce antibodies